Few woodworking projects get assembled without at least a few rabbets. If you're tired of replacing worn-out rabbeting bits, stop replacing the whole bit and start replacing just the cutting edges with Ultra-Shear's Carbide Insert Rabbeting Bits. Ultra-Shear's Carbide Insert Rabbeting Bits use 4-sided carbide inserts mounted in a precision machined body. You never have to put up with burn marks or ugly cuts because a fresh set of edges is just seconds away. Just rotate the insert to a new edge and get right back to work. The standard rabbeting bit includes a twin bearing that sets the width of the rabbet to a precise 1/2 inch. The stacked bearings give you great support on your reference surface. There's an optional set of collars to replace the bearing, giving you cuts ranging from 1/16 inch up to 7/16 inch in 1/16 inch increments. There are both 1/4 and 1/2 inch versions, so you can use any size or style of router. The 1/4 inch shank model is perfect for today's compact cordless routers. Back at the router table, you can align your fence to the bearing or use a starting pin and just the bearing. You can follow any straight edge or any curve. We manufacture the rabbeting bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages, just great bits at a great price. Ultra-Shear's Carbide Insert Rabbeting Bit and Depth Collars, a rabbeting set for a lifetime of woodworking. Order yours today.